write a program of Fibonacci series using Python. So suppose the input number is, I'm going to input 5, and the initial value of A is 0 and B is 1. Then the formatted output should be like 1, like 0 0 1 1 2 3 5 8, like this. That output will become, and that iteration will be happening like this: 0 plus 1 equals to 1, 1 plus 1 2, 1 plus 2 3, 2 plus 3 5, and 3 plus 5 8. So let's go to the code. I'll show how it is working. Already I have written the program of Fibonacci series. So I am going to take input from keyboard, enter a number. When I click on the run, so here you can see in this definition function Fibo, and suppose I am passing here 5, and the initial value of A is 0 and B is 1. So first I will print that print value of A 0 and 1. Then iteration will be happening here. So let's run this. Now it is asking for that number. I have entered 5 and click enter. See, 0 1 1 2 3 5 8. Thanks.